Hey guys, Zach here from Dream of English, the place for your English vocabulary, idioms, and of course, grammar. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe by hitting the button below, and you'll be the first to get the newest and best videos on my channel. What are we going to do today? Today I have another conditional challenge for you guys, so stick around. Have you seen my other conditional challenges? I did if I were, if I could. If not, check them out in the link above. And today I'm going to do the same but with if I had. So remember, the second conditional is if plus the past simple and then would or could. And this basically is used for hypothetical or highly improbable situations. So we can have a lot of fun with this. If I had, let's put the clock up there. Okay, if I had my own plane, I would travel pretty much every week. If I had €1,000,000, I would get my own plane to travel. If I had a PlayStation, I would play Fifa all day. If I had X-ray vision, I would be able to see through walls. Would I like that? I don't know. If I had more cats, I would need a bigger house. If I had a bigger house, I would need more cats. If I had the answers to all the world's problems, I would be the world's savior. If I had another YouTube channel, it would probably be about football. If I had more time, I would try and think of more examples for you guys. But that is the time, and that is it. So if I had. You can comment below on things you would do if you had something. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on Dream of English. Bye guys.